Are you getting that kitty? Are you getting that kitty? Yeah. Hi, Ed. You're a good boy. Alex, no bitey. Hi, Ed. You gonna get that kitty, Alex? You silly girl. Kitty. Is his tail funny? Is this funny? Hi, baby. You sleepy? Here, do you want to sit up? Alex, you're staring at the kitty. You want to sit up? No, you're sleepy. Here. Good job. Oh, okay. Here, let me help you. There you go. Hi, sweetie.